In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to resize a window capture in Restream Studio. Whether you're looking to present your content more effectively or fine-tune your visuals, adjusting the size of your window capture can make a significant difference. So, let's dive right into the process and ensure your presentations are sleek and clear. Start by logging into your Restream Studio account and navigating to your current stream. If you're broadcasting already, you'll want to select the specific scene that contains the window or screen capture you'd like to adjust. Here, you'll see your various sources, including windows, screens, or any other media you've added. It's crucial to choose the scene because each scene might be set up differently, especially if you're using multiple sources. Once you've selected the appropriate scene, direct your attention to the stream preview area. When you hover over this section, you'll notice a Customize icon represented by a small gear. Click on this gear icon to open up the layout editing options. This will unlock a multitude of customization features that allow you to tweak and tailor your stream's appearance. In the customization panel that appears on your screen, locate the source you want to adjust, whether it's a specific window capture or a screen share source. You'll find various options for managing this source, but our main focus here is adjusting the size. Look for the size slider. This is your primary tool for resizing the source within the scene. By dragging this slider, you can effortlessly increase or decrease the size, adjusting until it meets your needs. Tweaking the size is just one part of the equation. For a seamlessly professional-looking stream, you might also want to make sure that your source is positioned correctly. Use the position controls to drag the source around within the preview window, and then utilize the alignment toggles to set it to the left, right, or center, as desired. These tools together offer precision in placement, ensuring everything aligns perfectly with the rest of your scene's elements. Once you're satisfied with both the size and the position of your source, your next move is to finalize your changes. Simply hit the Save button to lock in your adjustments. By doing this, you ensure that your viewers see the new setup immediately during your live stream, enhancing both the functionality and aesthetic quality of your broadcast. Adjusting window captures might sound minor, but these small changes often contribute significantly to a more polished and viewer-friendly streaming experience. I hope this guide has helped you learn how to resize and reposition your window captures effectively in Restream Studio. If you found this tutorial helpful, be sure to check back for more tips and tricks on enhancing your streaming experience. Thanks for tuning in, and happy streaming!